Okay, it's Tuesday, June the 18th, 2013, and we're just on the edge of Mevagissey here. It's 10:15 in the morning, and we heard on the radio that the rest of the country is bathed in warm sunshine, and this is what we've woken up to today. Thick fog and quite cold, and even the lighthouse in Meva, the light isn't penetrating through the fog, so we've had to put the fog horn on. It's quite eerie, and I think this is probably the foggiest we've seen it when we've been here in the day. So yeah, it's just really cool. Oh, it is cool. But all the greenery, we've never seen this. This is our 6th summer working down at this house, and this is the path that goes down to it. And I've never, well, neither of us have ever seen all the greenery grow this much. And I can barely see down on the rocks, which is really unusual. Because in the winter all this dies down, isn't it? And then you can look right down. And now we've got another job to go to before we meet up with the kids.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.